Congratulations! Your account has been created. Now you need to take care of its look. Let's agree to use picd.com to set up your account and to create posts. Picd is one of the many blogging interfaces on Hive. Other interfaces include hive.blog, vavio.com, and Steam app application for computers and smartphones. All of these websites and applications run on reliable and secure Hive blockchain technology. Therefore, in order to have an easy access to various websites from a browser on your computer, you need to install browser extension. Click Visit Picd. Click on Login key at the top of the page. You are now invited to use Keychain, Hive Signer, and PicLog to log in. These are the applications that will make it easier for you to log into your account, and you will not have to enter long passwords in the future. I chose Keychain because it's safe for your passwords and is your Hive wallet at the same time. Click Install for Chrome. You can also install it on Opera because it runs on the Chrome engine, or Firefox. I currently use Firefox, so I will install Keychain here. We press Add to Firefox and press Add again. Now a pop-up window appears, so we go on and install it. Now a key icon appears at the top of the page, and this is a Keychain application. We press on it, and then we come up with a password. Please note that the password must be at least 8 characters long and must contain at least 1 lowercase and 1 uppercase letters, as well as 1 number. But for more reliability, you should use passwords of at least 16 characters or more, without restriction. Then we enter and confirm the password and press Submit. Enter your username and copy the private active key from the file that you have saved on your computer previously. Press Import Keys. Now we need to add another private posting key so we can access the Picd website. To do this, copy the private posting key from the saved key file using the Ctrl+C command. Then we go to the Keychain application. Click on 3 dashes, Manage Account, plus Posting Key. Then we insert the key and press Import Keys. Congratulations! Now everything is ready for you to write the first post. Now we have to go back to the previous tab where the Picd website is open. Press Login, enter your username. Click Login and confirm the entry in the Keychain application. Go to your profile on picd.com and then click on the avatar where you'll see Edit feature. After that, a window will open where you can edit the appearance of your profile. Download profile picture, cover, and simply fill in other information. Now everything is ready for your first publication. In fact, this is the very start of your career as a blogger on Hive, and you need to approach it responsibly. So click on the pencil at the top of the page and create a post. The first post about yourself should be written using the 4 required hashtags: #UA, #UUAC, #introduce myself, and #introduce yourself. You can find these hashtags in the description to this video. Make sure you make a catchy headline. While writing the first post, you have to join one of the communities. We recommend you to join Team Ukraine, which you can find in the search field. You have to tell the audience about what you do. If you're an artist, then it would make sense to share your artwork. If you're a photographer, share your photos and links to your portfolio. A travel blogger, tell us about the countries you have visited in the last year and write about the plans for the future. Feel free to add your personal photos. Use formatting, paragraph breaks, heading text, and use editing functionality and the preview feature on the right side of the screen to format the post for better readability and appearance. Use block dividers between the logical blocks of your post to highlight topics and hold the reader's attention for as long as possible. After you have finished your post, click Publish and don't hesitate to share the link to the post with friends and in our chat, Hive_UA. Further instructions will be presented in the next video. Subscribe to our channel and be sure to turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next video. This video is made with the assistance of cryptocurrency exchange platform Cryptex24. Cryptex24 run-the-clock simple and reliable control of your crypto assets. If you like this video, please vote for Crypto Brewmaster as your witness in Hive blockchain. You can find the link under this video. Thanks a lot!